Who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be the Outcast? Is it gonna be the Losi Lst 3XL-E? Hey guys, welcome to PnwRcMadness. I'm Chris. We're back today with a little test to see which one is stronger. Is it gonna be the Outcast, the Arrma, or is it gonna be the Losi 3XL-E? Let's check this out and give it a rip. Let's go. Turn the radios on. Got the radios on. We are running the Futaba and the LST. Okay. Plugged in. Let's turn it on. Alright, there we go. We got a Futaba and we got the Tactic, and we're going for the Tug of War. Let's see what she's got. Well, this isn't really working out. Take two. All right, take two. Take two, here we go. Oh no, that isn't working out at all. Not so good for the truck. Try it again. Let's see what we can get. Turn out the brake cameras. Whoa, doggy. Okay, so I think the 3XL-E got it. Here we go.